Welcome to SysTechs. What is FCF? FCF is a powerful command line fuzzy finder that helps you quickly search and filter files, commands, and processes interactively. It improves workflow efficiency, making it an essential tool for developers and system administrators. Why use FCF? Speeds up file searching and navigation. Enhances command history recall. Simplifies process management. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to install FCF on different operating systems. Use FCF for searching files, directories, and processes. Apply FCF in command history and workflow automation. Let's try installing FCF. On Linux, Ubuntu/Debian. Sudo apt install FCF. On Mac OS. Brew install FCF. On Arch Linux. Sudo pacman sfcf. On Windows PowerShell. Scoop install FCF. Once installed, verify it by running FCF. If an interactive screen like this appears, installation was successful. Let's dive into the basics of FCF usage. First, let's see how FCF helps in finding files interactively. Use FCF to search for files interactively. LSFCF. You can use the standard command options. You're simply piping the command output to FCF. This enables you to quickly filter and select a file. Use the navigation keys to navigate the screen or just type the desired keywords to find your files. Let's give searching command history a try. To find and rerun a previous command, use History FCF. Now you can easily find any command you've ever used in the terminal. For example, you can search for apt. You can use the navigation keys to navigate through the command history as well. Selecting a command will insert it back into the terminal. Let's move forward and see how FCF can help manage processes on your Linux box efficiently. To locate and manage running processes effectively, use the following approach. PSAUX FCF. This makes it easier to find processes and obtain their details. 4. Finding files and directories efficiently. Searching all files. Use FCF to locate files across directories. Find. Type FFCF. Opening a file interactively. Instead of manually typing a file name, use $$ FCF. This will open the selected file in the Nano text editor. Navigating directories. To quickly switch between directories. $CD find. Type DFCF. This command lets you interactively select a directory to enter. Let's make it even easier by using shortcuts. Ctrl+R, search command history. Ctrl+T, search files in the current directory. Alt+C, change directories using FCF. These shortcuts significantly enhance workflow efficiency. Is it right to say FCF allows fast and interactive searching for files, commands, and processes? It integrates seamlessly into daily command line tasks. Advanced key bindings provide additional productivity enhancements. Next steps. Practice using FCF in your workflow. Experiment with different commands and key bindings. Integrate FCF with scripting for automation. That's it for this tutorial on FCF. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Systex, and hit the bell icon for more practical tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your favorite FCF use case. See you in the next video.